Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today we are going to unbox this. This one's the brand new 38 watt Henry for DELL INSPIRON 13-inch laptop batteries. It could be for F62G0 or model is 5370 7000 series. 7370, 7380, 7386, 7373. So let's go ahead and unbox this. By the way, I purchased this for $37.99 plus free shipping. But you need to add a tax on this. So total is $41.31. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So here's the item number right here. It's a 11.4 volt, 38 watt Henry. And this is made in China. It's a A0D6S-Y. Let's go ahead and open this up. So here is the battery. Let me see, what's this? Oh, this might be the serial number. And then here's a connector. You need to open up your battery and then disconnect the cable and then insert this cable in here. Yeah, I'm not sure if this is an original battery or not. Almost look like the original because they have the DELL on there. Well, after you install it, you want to make sure you test out the battery. On the instruction, it says you need to charge it fully, drain it down all the way down with the plug, disconnect, let it drain down all the way down, and then charge it back up again, and let it drain down again. You want to go ahead and do that twice. After 2 times, then you could charge it when it's the battery low is at 20%, and then charge fully like that. Or else after you install the battery, it might give like a problem. And I purchased some of the battery for the MacBook Air. They was having a problem because they drained down, like jump from 55 to 20% or jump down to 7% right away. So I'm pretty sure those batteries are defected or something. Yeah, just be careful. You want to go ahead and test it out before you have a 30-day to file a case. In case the battery doesn't work, you want to go ahead and open the case and let the seller know or let the eBay know, so you can either exchange it or get your money back. So one of the batteries I had to do for my MacBook Air, because it's taking a while to charge it, and I know it's defective, so we end up have to install the old one back. So what I'm going to do is purchase like a used one, but the original one with the less cycle count. So hopefully this battery is going to work for my client. Anyway, Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.